Good morning, children. Children, we are on lesson 9 measurement of mass. Mass means weight. So, today we will learn how to convert kilograms into grams. And our question is 2 kilograms. Children, as all of you know, that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So, 2 kilogram is equals to 2 into 1000 grams. 2 into 1000 is equals to 2000 grams. Next question is 9 kilogram. First of all, you have to write 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. And we are converting 9 kilograms. So 9 kilograms is equals to 9 into 1000 grams. 9 into 1000 is equals to 9000 grams. So children, what we are doing, to convert kilograms into grams, you have to multiply the given number by 1000. Why by 1000? Because 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Look at this question. 3 kilograms 585 grams. You have to convert into grams. So our very first step, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. First of all, we will take 3 kilograms. So 3 kilograms is equals to 3 into 1000 grams plus 585 grams. Children, it is already given in grams and we are converting into grams. So we will add this. Okay. Is equals to 3000 grams plus 585 grams is equals to 3585 grams. Like this we will convert, because 585 grams is already in grams, so we will add the grams part to the converted number. Okay. One more example. I am giving you more and more examples so that the concept is clear to you. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams and we will convert the kilogram parts. So 6 kilograms is equals to 6 into 1000 grams plus 10 grams. 10 grams is equals to 6000 grams plus 10 grams is equals to 6010 grams. Children, this you will do on your own. This is your homework. So children, what I did, what you have to do, you just have to multiply the given number by 1000, because 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Then you will get the answer. The number is converted into grams. And if any grams part is already given in the question, you will add it. Okay children, the next topic is convert into kilograms and grams. We have to convert the given numbers into kilograms and grams, both the things. So when you are converting into kilograms and grams, you have to separate the ones, tens and hundreds digits like this. Children, see. 8 plus 0 0 0. Children, 0 0 0 I have separated because we have to separate the ones, tens and hundreds digits from the given number of grams. इसको हम क्या करेंगे? We will separate it. Okay, and this is what? 8,000 grams. Now let's convert it into kilograms. Children, 8,000, how many kilograms are in 8,000 grams? Obviously it's 8 kilogram plus 0 grams, because there is 0 in grams. So your answer is 8 kilograms. Let's take one more example. It is 2,200 grams and you have to convert into kilograms and grams. Abhi just now I told you, for converting into kilograms and grams, you have to separate the ones, tens and hundreds digits from the given number. Like this. See children, I have separated the ones, tens and hundreds digits from the given number. And this 2 is how many grams? It is 2,000 grams. Now children, how many kilograms are in 2,000 grams? It's 2 kilograms plus 200 grams. So the answer is 2 kilograms, 200 grams. Okay, one more. 7,835 grams. So separate the ones, tens and hundreds digits from the given number. This will come here, and ones, tens and hundreds digits will come here. Is equals to, children, 7,000 grams. How many? Because we have to convert it into kilograms and grams. So we know that it is 7,000 grams. Now you have to tell me how many kilograms are in 7,000 grams. It is 7 kilograms. So the final answer is 7 kilograms, 835 grams. Children, as you can see, when you are converting into kilograms and grams, you have to separate the ones, tens and hundreds digits. It will be grams and the remaining digits will be kilograms. Then again, this you will do on your own. This is your homework.